Good morning, everybody. This is Adam Sweet. Today I want to show you how to play the G major scale on the mandolin. So just like with all major scales, we're going to follow the root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half intervals for this scale. That means the root note would be G, and then a whole step up would be A, then another whole step would be B, and then a half would be C, and then three wholes would be D, E, F, and F sharp, and then finally G. We're going to do 2 octaves, and I'm going to use my 4th finger on the 7th fret. So it goes like this. We're going to start with open G. Then a whole step up will be A, so first finger on the 2nd fret G string. Then a whole step up would be B, so 2nd finger on the 4th fret G string. Then the next note, a whole step up would be, a half step up would be C, so 3rd finger on the 5th fret G string. Then a whole step up would be D, so 4th finger on the 7th fret G string. Then a whole step up would be E, so 1st finger on the 2nd fret D string. Then a whole step up will be F sharp, so 2nd finger on the 4th fret D string. Then G again, this is the octave, so a whole step up from F sharp is G. A half step up from F sharp is G, which is 5th fret, 3rd finger on the 5th fret D string. Then we're going to do a 2nd octave, so then we need 4th finger on the 7th fret D string is A. 1st finger on the 2nd fret A string is B. 2nd finger on the 3rd fret A string is C. Then 3rd finger on the 5th fret A string is D. 4th finger on the 7th fret A string is E. 1st finger on the 2nd fret E string is F sharp. And the last note is G. 2nd finger on the 3rd fret E string. All right, so let me do that real slow without all the talking and just show you where I put my fingers. Just one comment about my 1st finger. So no matter what position I'm in, this is 1st position, starting on the 5th fret is 3rd position, starting on the 8th fret is 4th, so on. No matter what position I'm in, I'm always oriented around my 1st finger. So when I'm going up the scale from the 4th finger on the preceding string, I always move my 1st finger into position first before moving my other fingers off the other string. So let me just show you. So here we are, 4th finger on the 7th fret G string. Now I'm going to move my 1st finger into place to the 2nd fret on the D string before I lift up these other fingers and start putting them into place, okay? And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm orienting myself around the 1st finger, okay? I hope this was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, I'm always online. You can contact me through my website, and thank you very much for watching this video.